Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of the stop button of the games are not working on the Steam. Like for example, if I play some games and if I exit the game, the stop button is not working or stuck or the game is running in the background. How you can fix all of that issue? So in order to get that fix, you just simply need to open the task manager. You can just simply open the task manager by pressing Control plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard, and once you press all of these keys together, you'll find that your taskbar will appear right in front of your task manager, I would say. Now here in this list, you need to find the game that you want to stop that is stuck in the stopping phase, or you can directly find the Steam, right click over there and hit on this option of end task. You can do the same with your game that is stuck, and once you do it, you'll notice that your stop button will reset to start and your game have been now stopped working in the background.
Sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.